Yeah, there is. This is a yellow bellied slider. As you can see, the belly is yellow. This is female because this area right here is flat. I'm going to ask you some math questions about turtles. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
If you had 100 turtles and you gave 5 away, how many would you have?
95.
If you had 144 turtles and you had 12 friends and you wanted to give each friend the same amount of turtles, how many turtles would each friend get?
12, Daddy.
If you had 90 turtles and I gave you 10 more, how many turtles would you have?
100, of course, Dad.
Now let's let this pretty lady go back into the pond. Now you know why they call them sliding turtles.